In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a missing DVD drive on Windows 11. If you're having trouble accessing your DVD drive, or if it's simply not showing up on your system, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can troubleshoot and hopefully resolve the issue right from the comfort of your computer chair. First, we need to determine if Windows is recognizing the drive at all. Begin by pressing the Windows key and the X key at the same time. This will open a handy menu with several options. From there, click on Device Manager. This is where Windows manages all the devices connected to your computer. Look for the line that says DVD, CD-ROM drives, and click to expand it. You should also expand IDE, ATA, ATPI controllers and storage controllers while you're here. If your DVD drive appears in the list but has a yellow warning icon next to it, this is an indication that the driver might be corrupted or facing some issues. If you don't see the drive listed at all, don't worry just yet. It might be hidden, so let's check that possibility. While still in the Device Manager, click on View at the top of the window. In that drop-down menu, select Show Hidden Devices. This should refresh the list and display any devices that Windows may have hidden for various reasons. Scan through the list once more to see if your DVD drive appears now. If you found your device, whether hidden or with an icon, we can move on to the next step, which is running the Hardware Troubleshooter. It's another tool Windows offers to help diagnose and fix problems with your hardware devices. To run it, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. In the box that appears, type in msdt.exe, ID Device Diagnostic, and then press Enter. This command will launch the Hardware Troubleshooter on your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow it to search for and attempt to fix any issues it discovers. The troubleshooter might prompt you to check certain things or make adjustments, so be sure to follow these prompts carefully. By now, you should have a better idea of whether your DVD drive issue can be resolved with these tools. If your DVD drive is still not showing up after following these steps, further technical investigation may be necessary. Sometimes the problem may require manual driver updates from the manufacturer's website or a professional's touch if it is hardware related. Nevertheless, the steps we've gone through today are a solid starting point and are often successful in resolving this issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Take care and happy computing!